What are the best tips for precious metals trading? Investors should understand the positive effects that precious metals can have on their portfolios. It is wise to prioritize the ownership of gold and to explore the option of investing in coins. Also, if an investor is to be successful with precious metals trading in the short term, it is important to understand the ideal buying and selling points. Good investors recognize the need for some balance and stability in a portfolio. Precious metals trading can be a smart means of doing that. There are a number of benefits in this type of investing, and one is that it generally involves low risks. Precious metals, unlike stocks or antiques, do not generally lose their value, leaving the investor with a major loss. Precious metals tend to endure throughout time. Some investment professionals suggest that individuals should set goals to have at least 10% of their portfolios invested in precious metals. When considering which precious metals to invest in, individuals are strongly advised to consider gold initially. Imagine dividing the precious metals portfolio. When this is done, it is advisable to have gold compose the largest portion. Furthermore, individuals should not limit themselves to bars. They should also carefully consider the possibility of investing in coins. These items can sometimes produce greater returns in the short term. When investing in coins, it is best to try to make several purchases at once. Doing so can reduce the brokerage fees. It is also good to remember that the shiny new coins are not always the best buys, because older coins, although often more expensive, tend to gain value more quickly. Precious metals trading can have notable financial benefits if an investor buys and sells at the ideal times. Knowing which price is a good point to buy can require some research and educated speculation. The prices of metals, like the price of everything else, will increase over time. The investor must determine between times when price increases are temporary and will drop again, and when they have securely moved into a new price bracket. When investing in precious metals, it is important to realize that sometimes, despite a price increase, it may still be a good time to buy. Another benefit of precious metals trading is that it involves materials that are usually easy to get rid of. These investments can generally be short-term or long-term. A good time to sell precious metals, especially if seeking short-term gains, is when there is an event that reduces supply. Another ideal moment is when stock markets and currencies are rapidly losing value.